Orange like a carrot, juicy and sweet. Orange like the pumpkins on Halloween Street. Orange like the sun when it's going down. Orange is a happy, glowing crown. Let's say orange, orange. Let's say orange, orange. Purple like a grape on a picnic day. Purple like a wizard's magical way. Purple like a flower in the springtime air. Purple is a color that's bold and rare. Let's say purple, purple. Let's say purple, purple. Pink like candy in a fairy's dress. Pink like cheeks when you're feeling your best. Pink like flamingos dancing all around. Pink is the sweetest color I've found. Let's say pink, pink. Let's say pink, pink. Brown like a bear with a furry face. Brown like the trees in a forest place. Brown like chocolate, yum, yum, yum. Brown is warm like a big bear's hug. Let's say brown,